And so guys, it's episode 7 of trading my 2.5k until we secure 100k in funding with Equity Edge. My name is Anati Sibamba. Welcome back to the new Money Wave channel. And so guys, on Friday we had setups, in literally I took trades on Friday. I took a trade on Friday in which I forgot to record, but yeah, let me show you. So last week on Friday we closed about with $50 profit. Remember the losses that we took, we took 1, 2, 3, and when was this? I think it was Thursday. When was this? It was Thursday, I think. Yeah, I think I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure when was this, but the market price action was damn. Last week price action was damn. The market was damn. Trump just decided to tweet out of the blue. So we took a loss. We took these 3 losses. So we took those 3 losses for 3 days straight. Then on the 4th, when was this? Let me check the dates. Okay, these are the same dates. These are the same dates. These are the same dates, and these also are the same dates. Yeah, these are the same dates, which means I only had 2 trades. And so guys, so last week I closed $50 profit, so I made sure that my wins are bigger than my losses. So last week Donald Trump decided to tweet in which I took this 1, 2, 3 losses. The 2 positions I took them on the same day, on the same day. But yeah, we did our thing. That's when I thought I blew my account, because of that crazy spec up that Donald Trump did, and I thought I lost my account, and I didn't lose my account. So yeah, let's get it. So Friday we closed with this $50 profit. So the overall profit that I made within this account is $100, in which we had a setback of another $100. So the profit target was supposed to be $200 and something dollars. So this week I'm planning on finishing up, man, so that I can do my payout, because of my payout date is tomorrow on the 31st, which is Tuesday, my guy. But yeah, we're gonna miss that payout date, and then we're gonna have to get a payout date on the 14th. Hopefully we would have been done with the challenge so that we can withdraw, so that we can get a payout. And so guys, we're back again. We kinda have a setup today. We do have a setup, so we're just waiting for it to play along. Let me just set my reminder on this imbalance FEG that we have. I don't know why the network is slow today. So as I said, we kinda have a setup. Let me show you guys my S&P 500. So let's switch over to Nasdaq to show you guys Nasdaq also, So Nasdaq is the same with S&P 500. So what S&P 500 does, the Nasdaq follows, So now, guys, as you guys can see, we have We have sell-side liquidity, in which it got rated, and price went bullish, gave us a bullish engulfing candle, gave us a fair value gap, and gave us a bullish market structure shift. So currently now we're waiting for price to come, tap us in, and shoot up nicely, nicely. The reason being, we're gonna be buying like that crazy. Let me show you guys on my MT5. So on my MT5, as you guys can see, we're in a downtrend. So on Friday, price broke support over here. Price broke that support and crossed it, and never came back to test this support as a resistance. So currently price is looking to test it as a resistance, then we continue down with our downside momentum, as you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame. On why I'm buying short, I'm short buying so that we can sell long term. At the moment, we're just going to be buying until level 23, as you guys can see. Then we come back down. I'm going to be targeting this 100%. I'm going to be targeting it. So for now, let's just wait and see, man. Before I do this, let me go to my next time frame. Let me clear the charts. I hate having the charts. So we're currently at this highest high. We have a huge possibility of price not coming and tapping us in, guys. A possibility is very huge. But New York session, price will have to play along. If it doesn't play along, it's fine. It's Monday. We'll see it next week. And so guys, it's the next day called Tuesday. Monday. Yes sir, it's Tuesday. So today we kind of have a setup in which S&P just opened and Nasdaq didn't even open us, man. It was just a spike up, I think. Let me just show you. S&P 500 just opened and Nasdaq hasn't even touched us in, man. Nasdaq hasn't even touched us in, So let's wait and see what happens. We're back at entry point with S&P 500. But man, let's see. I hate interfering with my trades, but as I said, we haven't been triggered in a trade yet. So contact you guys once I'm triggered. And so guys, I decided to enter once manually because of price didn't come to my order. Let me just say it did enter my order. It's just that it did enter my FEG. It's just that the mistake was on me, I did not place the order on the 50% zone of the fair value gap, in which is this one. You see, I did not place there. That's the reason why I was not triggered in. Besides, I was never going to trigger in. Remember the spreads. As we zoom in, I want us to zoom in properly. Okay, we was triggered in. I want you guys to look over here. It was going to be triggered, but the mistake was on me. Because of why? My order was just at level 23, just below level 23, in which price did not come to me. So I had to enter just below. I entered here because of I saw good price action. Okay, it was coming back to us. So in this trade, I'm risking $16 to gain $48. So that's it for today. See you guys once SL or TP hit. I spoke too soon. Just check what happened. Just check what happened, guys. We just had a spike up, and I lost $28. I lost $28. And so guys, I lost my funded account. I lost my instant funded account, and there's nothing I can do about it, I'm down, spiritually I'm down. There's nothing, I won't lie, I'm down, but man, we're gonna see again. Let's see again how we do next week, man. So I just have to regroup, get myself back to order, then we kill. I'll have to kill again. This is not the end of the challenge. We're still gonna continue with the challenge while trading personal account. Let's see what I can do with the personal account that I have. See you guys.